Hey, good evening. My name is Jordan Bloomingdale, and I'm a sales director with this amazing company. Thank you all so much for jumping on this Zoom. Whether you're watching this on replay or watching this live, just know that we really appreciate you being here. And with that being said, I am extremely excited to share this opportunity with you and with your loved ones. Um, a little bit about me. In 2019, I was at a point in my life where I said, you know what, enough is enough. My credit was literally in shambles from years of trying to get rid of collections, get rid of late payment history, pay off debt, let alone actually start putting some money back. And on top of that, being newly married, you can only imagine. It was rough. It was one of those years that I hope that I never have to repeat, and I would never wish it upon anyone else. Meanwhile, as if to add insult to injury, I was stuck working a corporate America job that required me commuting an hour and a half one way, still struggling to make ends meet. I had more bills than money. I had, you know, no matter how hard I worked, my credit score just would not budge. I think at one point it actually got as low as a 450. And I just remember feeling the embarrassment. I remember feeling the helplessness, not being able to help us at that point in our lives where my wife and I were trying to get a new home. We were trying to start a family, but, as they say, God works in mysterious ways. And one night, as we usually are scrolling on our phones right before we go to bed, I came across a post that a lady that I'm friends with had posted. That lady you'll actually get to meet here shortly was advertising credit repair. And I didn't know her from Adam. We were complete strangers, but for whatever reason, I decided to reach out. We had multiple conversations, and I half jokingly say that she followed up with me for about 8 months. But after those 8 months, she introduced me to what I am getting ready to introduce to you tonight, and I'm happy to say that hopefully it won't take you as long as it took me stubbornly to um to get started and see the results that this opportunity um provided in my life. With that being said, like I said, my credit was a mess. I didn't know where to look. I didn't know who to call. And so, I just kind of left it in the closet. That is until I started with this amazing program. After years of trying to pay those collections, failing at budgeting, barely able to save more than $50 before I'd spent it at Longhorns or, the bar, wherever I was at, I got started. And in my first 4 months, um, sticking with the program, I was actually able to see a 130-point increase in my own credit score. It went from that 450, 480, all the way up to a 680. And I'm proud to say that I have not looked back. I had 11 negative items removed. As you can see, collections, charged off. I mean, it was quite a rap sheet. Late payment history, you name it. Um, I was able to get that removed. And as if that wasn't good enough, I want to introduce you to the lady that I mentioned before, Mrs. Reza Santiago, and her testimony as well. She was a single mom going through divorce, working 60 plus hours a week, more month than money, as they say. In fact, she actually got started with leaving just $1.07 in her bank account. And I'll let you be the judge, but I would be the first one to say that I'm pretty sure that it paid off. Within 90 days of her being in this program, she was actually able to see an almost 200-point increase in her credit score going up to a 710. She saw 64 negative items removed, including a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. And, you know, as they say, the rest is history. But who is this amazing partner that we got started with? Well, tonight, this evening, today, I would like to introduce you to United Credit Education Services. United Credit Education Services, or UCES, was actually established over 20 years ago. Our company, this company, has been a staple in the financial services industry with a commitment to helping families across the country offer a range of products and services tailored to their needs. As a debt free company, they're actually practicing what they preach, leading by example, and demonstrating financial responsibility. And of course, uh, you know, having a dedicated and consistent team is able to provide you with a shoulder that you can rely on. So, a little bit about them, a little bit about the company, but right now I kind of want to take a step back and I really want to talk about the times that we're in right now due to the inflation, the economic situation. We all know it. We see it every single day. Times are tough right now. You know, I was just seeing the other day the industry's net charge off ratio is expected to increase, and over 30% of respondents expect low credit quality as a result. Um, that's across the board, consumer, auto, and real estate loans. 88% of US adults said that high school did not leave them fully prepared for how the real world handles, excuse me, for how to handle money in the real world. Only 1.2% of Americans have the best possible credit score ratio of 850, and 65% of credit reports actually contain errors. So while it's tough to, to see the world in kind of a rosy lens, and really it's easy to get into this rut where we think we're all alone. Trust me, it's a lot, it's a lot um it's a lot easier than it looks. um you're definitely not alone. This next slide actually paints a pretty good picture of that, in saying that, 1.4 million identity theft claims were actually made in 2020. We all know what we were all doing during those years. 14.6 trillion in household debt was reported as of 2021, and 64% of Americans are expected to retire with less than $10,000. Think about how many greeters we see at Walmart, how many people we see working at Dollar General. I mean, it's not getting it's not going to end anytime soon unless we do something about it. So tonight, or today, what I would like to do is I want to share with you a little bit about how your credit score is calculated. So as you can see on the screen here, the most significant factor accounting for 35% of your score is actually your payment history. It includes whether you've paid your bills on time, if you've had any accounts sent to collections, bankruptcies, tax liens, etc. The next 30% of your score is actually your accounts, or excuse me, your amounts owed. This is going to be your credit utilization rate. It includes the amounts owed across your different types of accounts against the amounts that you've charged against those limits. The next 15% is your length of credit history. This makes up about 15% of your score. So it considers how long your credit accounts have been established, including the age of those accounts. Excuse me, the age of the oldest account, the age of your newest account, and then the average ages of all of your accounts. Okay. And then the final 20% is going to be split between your new credit So this is recently opened accounts and hard inquiries. And then the last is the types of of credit accounts. So you want to have a good mixture of installment loans, and those could be student loans, your mortgage, auto loans, and then your credit cards, also known as your revolving loans. So, food for thought, who is with us tonight that would like to purchase a home in, say, the next 6 months to possibly 18 months? Okay, so those who have raised your hand, if you've spoken to a lender already and maybe even had your credit ran already, just food for thought. Did your lender talk to you about the differences in interest rates? If not, I need you to pay close attention to this slide right here because most of the time we read interest rates or an APR as just another statistic on the window of a new car or the application of a credit card. But in reality, this number alone can either save you or it can cost you thousands. Additionally, the next couple of slides, I want you to kind of begin to think about your own tools that you utilize for not just managing your credit score, but also credit managing your finances. So, across all of 2021, it was actually found that 65% of Americans actually have no budget in place. So, that's food for thought for you. And then 1 in 5 Americans in that same year actually didn't have any money saved. Think about what we were going through in 2021 and whether or not you had something set back um, for a rainy day, for an emergency, or just for unknown expenses. And then last but not least, a couple of really eye-opening statistics, as if the others were not already, but the average credit card debt per household with a monthly carryover balance is over $14,000, with the total sum hitting $787 billion dollars with a B. And the average APR, there goes that statistic again, on credit card debts, credit card percentages is over 17%, with 55 million households that have credit card debt are just paying that interest. So, all of that, I want you to think about as we're going over this next slide. And what this next slide is going to provide is a solution to all of those obstacles, all of those, um, all of that debt that we talked about. And so the UCES protection plan, the protection plan that I went through, that I still utilize today, that helped Reza with her 200-point credit score increase, provides its members with comprehensive credit repair services that help improve their credit scores and overall financial health care. As a member, you'll actually have access to a team of experts who will work tirelessly on your behalf to address inaccuracies, errors, and derogatory items on your credit report. Over the next few minutes, I want to talk to you about the credit repair process and the steps that it involves. So, first and foremost, we're going to start with a consultation before you ever even put down a dollar. You're going to receive a personalized consultation to review your credit reports and identify any negative items impacting your score. Next, we're going to go through the dispute process. So, the dispute process, the UCES team will actually initiate a dispute process with the credit bureaus on your behalf to challenge any inaccuracies and any questionable items. The next phase is going to be the follow up phase. They will continuously follow up with the credit bureaus and creditors to ensure that the necessary corrections are made to your credit reports. And then the next few phases are going to be about education. So throughout this process, You will receive valuable financial education and guidance to help you understand credit and how to better make better financial decisions in the future. Moving forward, after your credit score has been repaired, UCES will continue to monitor your credit reports to ensure that you maintain the progress that you've achieved. And with the UCES protection plan, you can rest assured that you have a dedicated team to help watch your back and help you achieve your financial future goals and improve your credit worthiness. So, bottom line, the question we all have in our mind at this point in the evening is, how much does this cost and how much is it going to cost me moving forward? So, what I would like to invite you to do is actually take control of your financial future today with a just one time payment of $179. That includes your one time consultation fee and your first 30 days included with the protection plan access. And then therefore their month by month after that is just $89 a month. Over the next couple of minutes, I want to take a moment and just talk about another opportunity that was up to us after we went through the protection plan, but I want to bring it up to you now so that you will know that you have options. And I want to share a little bit about my testimony about how I was actually able to build a nationwide credit restoration franchise. So, as I mentioned today, as a sales director, our business is generating over $10,000 in sales revenue every 30 days. But to be honest, it's not about what I've done by myself, but rather what we have done as a nationwide team and support system that I've been able to see the success that I've seen and been able to get training from other leaders, top income earners, and business owners nationwide. We've been able to help hundreds of thousands of success stories in the last 5 years. And tonight, I want to show you just why it makes sense to start a credit repair franchise and why now is the best time to do so. So, with that being said, I would like to introduce you to United Wealth Education. See, starting a credit repair business can actually be a pretty smart move, especially when you don't have to handle the nitty gritty details. And I'm going to show you exactly why it's a win win right here. So, first and foremost, is our simple referral system. See, you just refer clients to the platform and we take care of the rest. No need to worry about the complexities of any kind of credit restoration. We handle literally everything from restoration to technology, paperwork, and customer service. We got it covered. You can focus on referring while we handle the heavy lifting. And then, of course, on top of that, you get to enjoy the benefits of passive income by simply referring those clients to our comprehensive credit repair services. It's an easy way to earn while helping others improve their financial health care. So, as you're going through this, you may be wondering, well, okay, that sounds good, but what does the money look like? I know there's a couple of you out there. So, for every person that you refer to the platform, you're going to earn a one time $100 commission on any personal sale that is made. $100 per person you refer to our platform can make a significant difference for you and your family. Think about it. It can serve as a valuable supplement to your current income. It can help you cover bills, groceries, and even help you save up for vacations. Over time, these commissions can accumulate, providing you with financial stability and even the freedom to pursue your own dreams. You can use the extra income to invest in your family's future, whether it's saving for your children's education, buying a home, or even planning for retirement. So, with just a simple referral, you can start actually making a positive impact on your financial future and that of your family. Additionally, You earn a $12 residual income per customer for any protection plan membership signed up by your referrals. So with that platform, you not only help others improve their credit, but you also earn a residual income effortlessly, just referring them to us, and then you start earning. Okay, but that's not it. When you open a new credit restoration franchise and then you bring on team members and affiliates to our platform, you actually earn what they call a customer acquisition bonus. So for every agent that you enroll, you can make anywhere from $100 to $560 depending on the title and depending on the company. On top of that, you'll also earn an indirect residual income. So for every client that those team members put in the system, you will receive a $3 commission on every single protection plan membership. So with our customer acquisition bonus, you not only benefit from expanding our network, but also earning ongoing commissions from the clients that those team members bring in. That in and of itself creates a sustainable way to build an additional, like I said, sustainable income stream. And again, one more. So, in addition to the customer acquisition bonus, you'll also earn override customer acquisition bonuses. Okay. So, what this means is that if your affiliate enrolls new affiliates, you will get paid the difference between your title and theirs. So not only do you benefit from your own efforts in expanding the network, but you also earn from the efforts of your affiliates, creating multiple streams of income for both you and your team. Like I said, it's a win win. There's literally no better way to make a living than making a positive difference in people's lives, especially by helping them improve their financial well being at its very core. This is the kind of information that we were not taught in schools, and it is an absolute need for not only our generation and those beyond us, but those before us as well. With our credit repair business, you're not just earning money, you're also making a meaningful impact on the lives of others, helping them achieve their financial goals and securing a brighter future. It's literally a win-win. So you may be asking, okay, that sounds good, but I have no idea where I would even start. Well, here's everything that you will get as part of our credit repair business opportunity. Starts off with a website. So you'll receive a personalized agent website that you can promote your business and attract clients effortlessly. You also have access to professional marketing materials. These are going to help you effectively promote the services within the protection plan, as well as help you grow your own business. And then you can enjoy weekly pay as you enroll people in the system, along with live customer and agent support to assist you every step of the way. Additionally, you have access to your online back office where you can track your commissions, your rewards, and your bonuses in real time. And once you hit the first title in the company, you'll actually qualify for life insurance without a medical exam, providing you and your family with additional financial security. So, with our comprehensive support and benefits package, you'll have everything you need to succeed in the credit pair business and beyond. Okay, so talking about the 179, literally to become an affiliate and gain access to our credit restoration services, protection plan, and the ability to earn commissions, you can join as an agent today for just one-time fee of $290. Literally an additional 110 above. And here's what you get. You get access to the credit restoration services to help you and your clients improve your credit scores. You get enrollment into our protection plan, including the 12 services mentioned earlier. You get the ability to earn commissions by referring clients to our platform. And your first month of services is included in the initial fee. Thereafter, it's only $89 as an overhead. But I want to talk about this opportunity right here. So, with our Power of Five program, if you refer five active clients or agents to the platform, that $89 a month is actually waived. So, here's what that means: you'll get your services for free, saving you that $89 a month. Plus, you have a credit repair franchise with zero overhead, maximizing your earnings potential. By simply referring your first five active agents or clients, you can enjoy the services for free and you can build your credit restoration business without having to worry about any monthly fees. It's literally a fantastic opportunity to maximize your earning potential and achieve financial freedom. So, as we near the end of the presentation, remember, you have options. That's the point of this presentation, is to give you the information so you can make an informed decision. You have the option one to become a customer, start for $179 and then just $89 a month thereafter. You'll benefit from our credit restoration and protection plan services. Or you can upgrade to become an agent for just an extra $111 and you get the same services as a customer plus the opportunity to refer others to the platform and earn commissions. With the agent option, you also have the chance to waive your $89 monthly fee just by referring five active customers or agents to the platform. So there you have it. The choice is yours, whether you want to simply benefit from our services or you want to take advantage of a lucrative earning opportunity. Your first month of services is included in the initial fee, and thereafter, it's only $89 a month. So I want to thank you so much for your time. Whichever option you decide, whether you're option A, I'm ready to go. Option B, I have a few questions. Be sure to get back to the person who introduced this video to you or who invited you to this Zoom. Or option C, I would just like to enjoy the UWE services, and that is fantastic as well. We can definitely make that happen. So, whether you are option A, B, or C, let's get you signed up. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Get back to the agent who invited you, have them send you a link, and you'll be well on your way to enjoying your protection plan services and starting your journey with us. Welcome to the team and welcome to your protection plan services.